part 3, and all parts are getting shorter as we continue, is that we try to address the quality of the sense of balance through working with the sounds which belong to the thighs. Last time we were using the G, and we just do it one more time just to recollect what is the G about. That you bend your thighs, you create this gesture of protection, but it's too narrow in a way, the palms of the hands are looking outside. And slowly you stretch the legs, the thighs, and with the help of their energy, you create the space you need. You're not becoming too open, but the thighs keep the space, and your soul can breathe freely. But you need the energy of the thighs, that the pressure from outside stays outside. Return to yourself, let go. And now we go a step further, because to the thighs, to Sagittarius, belongs also the K. And the K is more like in karate, it's just you do a K and then has there been any problem? It's just disappeared. Where does this capacity come from? And that's because our lower system is a system of energy, of flexibility. The upper system is just structured, things have to be like this, like that, and the hard system, the lower system, is a soft system. You can just use your hands to really feel it. You can even put a little bit of pressure and you feel, oh yes, it's compressing, and you let go, like a ball which you gently press a little bit, make it smaller, you feel it inwardly, and you let go again and release it again. Don't do it too often, not to feel sick afterwards. But it does not only allow to be compressed, it also allows to bounce things off, to bounce back. So you can, and this we want to use in the K, that you have the feeling, or just you can have your hands here once again, and you feel this capacity and just expanding it a little bit. You see, what is here? Boom! And you just, you can feel it. Don't do it too much. You will also get sick from that. Otherwise, and just open it here. If you did it, to breathe deeply, just to, gather yourself into one piece of being back again, and then the diaphragm here is in a way representative of the celesity. It's a strong muscle, you can really dance on it. And it's also a protection here. And now, and the upper arms belong to the K as well. So just lift the upper arms gently and let them, for the moment, just sink down, but stay in the upper arm. And notice they press a little bit on the lower system, and this one reacts and bounces the arms away. So just send them away again. And if you do it playfully and lightful, then you can just have your arms here. You let the upper arms fall a little bit and tuck, the arms go away. And then it's very natural just to continue with the ha. If the forces which attacked you have been dissolved, you just can relax, and listen into the stillness. Ka and Ha belong together, they are partners. So let the arms here, Ka, Ha. And now the Ka is not only bouncing energy, but it creates light. It changes material pressure into light, and you can experience it a little bit like this, that do it just with one arm. You just have this car, it comes, and when your lower system sends it away, let it go through the arm, through the fingers, and ray through the fingers like light. And then it makes sense to continue, or to move into the heart, make a step into the heart. Let's try this 3-4 times, just to create this light through the K. Here, gently, Ka, and through the fingers, light. And then Ha. So natural within a space of light. Another time, and it's the belly which creates the light through there. You do not produce it in the arms. Yeah? So let it fall. The reaction goes through the arms like light. One last time. Ka. And breathe. And now that things really unfold, we must perceive them, not only do them. And for this we need the V, what we practiced last time. And we just recollected. How was it? It was just using the hands, using the back of the fingers, the fingertips, to listen into our spiritual backpack. What is in our backpack? And then we use the fingers, the palms of the fingers, to really bring it over to the shoulders of a friend, which sits maybe at the opposite side of a garden party at the table. The table sits. And then from there, we return to ourselves. We leave him free. And then, did it arrive? How does it react? But we have arrived at ourselves. We do not cling to the person we brought it to. So once again, sense into your backpack. So rich, so beautiful. Carefully make feathers from it, bring it there, gently. Maybe it's hardly to notice. And then, does he notice what we brought? And you are open to everything. You are happy that you brought something, that you gave something, but you are here. Last time, just to feel, what is the V like? And like feathers, bring these feathers, let them land. Notice how they land. Stay there, but arrive at yourself. And breathe. And now we do 2 times. So we do the Kaha, and then we try to do any V, if we can feel what has come into existence. And there is, for the head, there is nothing to feel, but we just play as if something could be felt, and just the attempt to feel it will make the other side happy. So just relax. No, I'm a human being consisting from upper forces, but also potentials down here. So you can just easily relax. Ka, light. Ha. Listening space. And then any sort of listening to your backpack will do it. What is here? What did the Kaha create? Can I feel a little bit of this quality? Maybe I felt it, maybe I didn't. Doesn't matter. I tried to feel something. That's what it is about. Last time, Ka. Backpack. What's in it? These feathers, can I touch you with my finest qualities? How will you react to that? What can I feel from you? From the kaha outcome. Return to yourself. Sit down where you can relax and listen to the resonance. What is the feeling of your body now when you compare it to what we did before? How to describe the space which in your body, or the spaces? How much would you experience your body on the whole as a stable structure, or how much do you experience movement in it? And what qualities have these movements, if there are any? How would you experience the quality of light which is around you now? And what's the role of the warmth in it? And the question of equilibrium, balance, has to do with weightlessness. Forces pulling to the earth, forces pulling away from it. Balance is the in-between, the both of it, in balance. Can you sense qualities like that?